The Nikon Z50 is finally here and I'm super excited to unbox it with you guys. This is the latest mirrorless camera in the Z series by Nikon and perfect for content creators like me. The kit I have right here includes the camera body, 16 to 50 mm lens, camera strap, USB cable and the battery charger. It's an insanely small and compact camera, very lightweight and very easy and efficient to use. The grip is very firm and it's just easy to navigate through all the buttons and dials. The fact that it has a flip screen, it makes it an ideal camera for vlogging, and not to mention its touchscreen as well, making the whole process even more easier. The camera comes with inbuilt filters that you can easily choose from for your pictures as well as videos. There truly is no limit to creativity with this camera. The colors are sharp, focused, and the picture quality is excellent, and the inbuilt white balance does its job perfectly. You can also buy the FTZ mount adapter separately for any of your Nikon lenses. Super excited to start creating some amazing content with my Nikon Z50.